Hey guys, if your Forester SG or from 2002 to 2008 facelift model, which has these indicators, and your indicator is broken like mine, this one here has a crack and you can see some mold start to form when the water is, well, you could buy a whole light or mirror assembly, or you could get this part out from a Liberty pre-face lifted. Liberty sedans and wagons also come with this indicator built into their wing mirrors, and then you can replace this with this. Super clean, not broken, no water, and you can just turf this one. So instead of buying a Forester mirror, you could buy a mirror from a Gen 4 Liberty wagon sedan. Make sure it's the pre-face. The post-face has this light in the middle of the indicator, which is not compatible, but this and the Forester are identical, interchangeable, and they're quite easy to take out. So to take it out, all you have to do is lift this mirror up, and there's a screw there. Put a plastic trim tool in here and pull this out, and you got one screw there, one underneath the mirror, and this will come out, and then you can replace it with the clean one. All right, so I hope that helps you and saves you some money instead of chasing a Forester. I don't believe Subaru made many of these compared to the Liberties. So where I live in Melbourne, these are much harder to come by, the post-face lifted Foresters compared to Liberties, where they're much more common. So there you go. Thanks. Bye.